Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down, or actually not really all the way, but by scrolling you will have much faster access to this option because it is here, Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So let's tap. Right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So in my case it's 20 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also unlocks and notifications count. By tapping inside the graph you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the data, the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. As you can see, you can tap on specific day and check. Moreover, under it we've got the list of apps which we've been using with specific time we've spent on them. Moreover, you can tap on the specific app, for example settings, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, if you'll decide that you are spending too much time on the specific app, you can manage ways to disconnect. As you can see, we've got 4 different options. However, I will describe only one of them, but I highly recommend to check all. So here, for example, we've got app timers. Let's pretend I'm spending too much time on my camera, for example. All I have to do is to scroll and find it in the list and tap on this hourglass icon next to it. Now we can set a timer. So for example, we can set it for 30 minutes, and if I will tap on OK, it means that I can use the app for 30 minutes during a day. And after that time, after 30 minutes, the app will be blocked. We can also set it, for example, for 0 hours and 0 minutes, tap on OK, and our device will immediately block the app. As you can see, it is right here, and right here it is grayed out. It is actually transparent a little bit, not sure, however it doesn't look normal. And after trying to open it, we've got this pop-out window with the information that the timer ran out and it will start again tomorrow. Or you can update the timer in the Digital Wellbeing app, and I'm actually quite mad that they've added this information that you can update the app timer, because previously, in previous versions, we had only this first part of this information, so that the timer ran out and it will start again tomorrow, and it served as a first option, a first warning that maybe we really shouldn't open that app again and we shouldn't change the timer. But here we've got an obvious invitation to actually go to the settings. But that's okay. I still think that it's a good idea to use it. So maybe it will prevent us from entering the app, especially in the situation if we are using it for too long during a day. Alright, so this is basically how it works. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.